In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a ClickUp space. Workspace Organization 2026. Renaming a space is a simple way to keep your workspace tidy and make it easier for your team to find what they need. I'll guide you through the exact clicks, and along the way I'll share a few tips to help you choose a clear, consistent name. First, open your browser and go to clickup.com. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken right into your account. If not, log in using your preferred method. You can continue with email or sign in with one of the available providers. Make sure you use the account that has access to the workspace you want to organize. You may be asked to verify your login. Just follow the prompts on the screen. After logging in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. Look to the left side of the screen for the main navigation. This sidebar is where you'll find the key areas of your workspace, including your spaces. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the space names clearly. Now, locate the space you want to rename. If you have a lot of spaces, scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top of the sidebar to narrow things down. When you see the space you want to adjust, hover your mouse over its name to reveal the three dots menu. This menu contains the management options for that specific space. Click the three dots, and from the menu that appears, choose Rename. This opens the space details where you can edit the name. Type the new name for your space. A quick tip: aim for a short, descriptive title that reflects how your team actually uses the space. For example, include the team or function and, if helpful, a project or time frame. Keeping a consistent naming convention across all spaces makes navigation much faster for everyone. While you're on the screen, you can also review other space settings such as the color, icon, or visibility, and make adjustments if needed. When everything looks good, select Save Changes to apply the new name. You should see the updated name immediately in the sidebar and anywhere else the space is referenced. If it doesn't refresh right away, give the page a quick reload. And if you don't see the rename option in the menu, you may not have the necessary permissions in that workspace, so reach out to an admin to help. That's it. You've successfully renamed the space in ClickUp. Keeping names clear and consistent goes a long way towards smoother collaboration and a cleaner workspace. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!